Assalamu alaikum. I hope my dear students, honorable guardians, teachers and viewers are well by the grace of Allah. During the critical moment of COVID-19 or coronavirus, our school is closed. So our school authority has arranged the online class for you. This class will be helpful for you to learn something. I hope that during the critical moment of COVID-19, we should maintain hygiene, try to maintain social distance, try to use mask when you will go out. Also, you should not go out unnecessarily and try to stay at home. Also, you should wash your hands regularly with soap. Now, I shall discuss about transformation of sentences from assertive to interrogative sentence. You know that the another name of assertive sentence is a statement sentence. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to change from assertive sentence or a statement sentence to interrogative sentence. Now, I shall cordially request you, try to be attentive and listen to me what I say. Every student should look at the board. Now, I am writing the topic. Topic, assertive to interrogative. Now, I am writing one sentence on the board for rule 1. He is a teacher. We know that it is assertive sentence or a statement sentence. Now you have to change interrogative sentence. When you will see any auxiliary verb or modal verb in the assertive sentence, and if you want to change from assertive to interrogative, in that case auxiliary verb or modal verb will come at the beginning of the sentence. Here we know that auxiliary verb is, so is will come at first. We know that am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, they are auxiliary verb. Also, we know that can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need, ought to, dare to, used to, they are modal verb. Then you should follow. If there is any not in the assertive sentence, not will be deleted. Otherwise, if there is no not in the assertive sentence, in that case not will come after auxiliary verb or modal verb. Also not will be short form. Then subject will come here, another word will be unchanged. You should remember that at the ending point you have to use question mark. That is the noticeable thing. Also, you can change it another way. Auxiliary verb will come at first, then subject. If you want to use not long form, not will come after subject. Then other word will be unchanged. Is it clear? Next you have to use question mark. Again, I am telling in Bengali for better understanding, because we can understand anything easily through Bengali. Bangla is our mother tongue. যখন কোনো অক্সিলারি ভার্ব আর মোডাল ভার্ব যুক্ত অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সকে আমরা ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে পরিণত করব, ইন দ্যাট কেস উক্ত অক্সিলারি ভার্ব এবং মোডাল ভার্ব সেন্টেন্সের শুরুতে আসবে। আর অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে কোনো নট থাকলে সে নট উঠে যাবে, আর নট না থাকলে সংক্ষিপ্ত আকারে অক্সিলারি ভার্বের পর অথবা মোডাল ভার্বের পর দিতে হবে। অন্যান্য ওয়ার্ডগুলো ঠিক থাকবে, যেমন হি, এ, টিচার। সবশেষে একটি লক্ষণীয় বিষয় যে কোশ্চেন মার্ক দিতেই হবে। অথবা আমি অন্যভাবে করতে পারি, উক্ত অক্সিলারি ভার্বকে সেন্টেন্সের শুরুতে আনবো, তারপর সাবজেক্ট দিব, আর নট যখন তুমি পূর্ণরূপ ব্যবহার করবা তখন নটটা সাবজেক্টের পরে দিতে হবে, আর শর্ট ফর্ম হলে সাবজেক্টের আগে অক্সিলারি ভার্বের পরে দিতে হবে। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? আই থিঙ্ক ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার। ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ এনি প্রবলেম ইউ ক্যান আস্ক থ্রু Facebook comment. I shall try my level best to solve your problem. Now I am checking Facebook comment. Just wait for a few seconds. There is no comment. Thank you. I am very happy to teach you. Also, you can change it another way. Here only auxiliary verb will come at first, then other word will be unchanged. In this way you can change it. Next you have to use question mark. Also the first one, isn't he a teacher? It is strong English. And the second one, is he not a teacher? It is weak English. As a teacher, I support you first one, not second one. First one you should use for class 6 to 10. Can I clean the board? Thank you for your permission. Now I am writing another sentence. He is not a teacher. Here you have to change interrogative sentence. Here auxiliary verb is will come at first, then subject. I have told you before that if there is any not in the assertive sentence, not will be deleted. So এখানে নট আছে, নট উঠে যাবে। Then you have to use question mark. In this way you can change it. Can I clean the board? Thank you for your response. Now I am writing sentence number 3. I am your teacher. Here you have to change from statement sentence to interrogative sentence. Here auxiliary verb am will come first, then not. তুমি যদি এইভাবে দাও তাহলে it is incorrect. In case of am এর ক্ষেত্রে you have to use ain't বা aren't. Ain't. Then other words will be unchanged. Next you should use question mark. Also you can write here aren't. Both are correct. Can I clean the board? Now I am writing sentence number 4. I am not your teacher. Here auxiliary verb am will come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject will come. Here there is a not in the assertive sentence, so not will be deleted, other word will be unchanged. Next you have to use question mark. Is it clear to you? I think it is clear. I am very glad to teach you. Can I clean the board? Okay, thank you for your response. Sentence number 5. He can do. Sentence may be big size or small size. It does not factor here. But মূল কাজটাই হয় অক্সিলারি ভার্ব আর মোডাল ভার্বকে কেন্দ্র করে। সো সেন্টেন্স বড় ছোট যায় আসে না। নাও হেয়ার can, it is modal verb. Modal verb will come at the beginning of the sentence. Then there is no not in the sentence. So you have to use not short form. There is a noticeable thing. Can এর নেগেটিভ ফর্ম কান্ট, এখানে কখনোই দুইটা অ্যান হবে না, একটা অ্যান হবে। ইউ শুড রিমেম্বার দ্যাট। Then subject will come, do, next question mark. In this way you can change it. Sentence number 6. He can not do. Here modal verb can. Can will come at first, then subject. As there is not in the sentence, not will be deleted. Other word will be unchanged. Next question mark. Is it clear to you? If you face any problem, you can tell through Facebook comment and I shall try my level best to solve your problem. Now I am checking Facebook comment. There is no comment. Thank you. Can I clean the board? Okay, thank you for your permission. You can write down on your exercise book because this grammar item will be helpful from class 6 to intermediate. Sentence number 7. I shall go. It is assertive sentence, but you have to change from assertive to interrogative. Here shall, it is modal verb, we know that. তো shall will come first. এখন যদি এটা আমি এইভাবে দেই, শেলের ক্ষেত্রে এইভাবে দিলে হবে না। শেলের ক্ষেত্রে shan't, s a sha, then you have to use short form not, shan't. Next subject will come, then verb will come, next you have to use question mark. In this way you can solve it. Then I am writing sentence number 8. I shall not go. Here it is a statement sentence or assertive sentence, you can say. Here modal verb shall. Shall modal verb will come first, then subject, not will be deleted. I have told you before that. Then verb, next question mark. In this way you can solve your problem. Can I clean the board? Thank you for your permission. We will go. Here modal verb will. Modal verb will come first, but there is no not in this sentence. So not will come after modal verb in short form. উইলের ক্ষেত্রে মনে রাখবো উইল নট দেওয়া যাবে না, এটাকে ওন্ড করতে হবে। উইলের ক্ষেত্রে ওন্ড। আমি যদি মনে করি যে আমি এভাবে দিব তাহলে ইট ইজ রং ওয়ে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ ওন্ড। Then subject, next verb, at the ending point you have to use question mark. Sentence number 10. We will not go. Here modal verb will come at the beginning of the sentence. As there is not in the sentence, not will be deleted. Then subject will come. Go. Next you have to use question mark. Is it clear to you? Thank you for your permission. Already I have finished rule 1. Can I proceed the next step? Thank you for your response. Now I am cleaning the board. I shall try to teach you rule 2. Sentence number 1. I go there with my brother. It is assertive sentence. Now you have to change from assertive to interrogative. In rule 2, there is no auxiliary verb or modal verb. When there is no auxiliary verb or modal verb in the assertive sentence, in that case you have to use don't, doesn't, didn't according to tense. Now how you will be able to change from assertive sentence to interrogative sentence? যখন you will see verb base form or present form or verb 1, in that case if you want to change from assertive to interrogative, you have to use don't at the beginning of the sentence because of verb base form. Then subject will come, other word will be unchanged. You can change it another way. Here verb is present form, so do will come at first, then subject. If you want to use not in the long form, not will come after subject I, then other word will be unchanged. I have told you before that it is don't I go there with my brother. It is strong English. And do I not go there with my brother? It is weak English. As a teacher, I always support you first one. Also both are incorrect here. Can I clean the board? Okay. Now I am writing sentence number 2. Imran wants to buy a pen. Here there is no auxiliary verb or modal verb in this sentence. So you have to use don't, doesn't, didn't according to tense. When you will see s after verb base form, in that case you have to use doesn't at the beginning of the sentence. Then subject will come, Imran. When you will use doesn't, s after verb will be deleted, only verb base form, want. Then other word will be unchanged. In this way you can change it. Also you can change it another way. Does at first, then subject. when you will use not in the long form, not will come after subject. Then other word will be unchanged. Is it clear to you? Then subject will come Imran. When you will use doesn't, as after verb will be deleted, only verb base form. What? Then other Now I am telling in Bengali. যখন কোনো অক্সিলারি ভার্ব আর কোনো মডাল ভার্ব সেন্টেন্সের ভিতর না থাকে, অনলি সাবজেক্টের পরে মূল ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম থাকে, প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম থাকে, সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে সেন্টেন্সের শুরুতে ডন ব্যবহার করতে হবে। তারপর সাবজেক্ট ঠিক থাকবে, মূল ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ঠিক থাকবে, বাকি ওয়ার্ডগুলো ঠিক বসে যাবে, সবশেষে কোশ্চেন মার্ক। অথবা তুমি যদি নট লং ফর্মে ব্যবহার করতে চাও, সেক্ষেত্রে ডু আসবে আগে, তারপর সাবজেক্ট আসবে এবং সাবজেক্টের পরে নট পূর্ণরূপ লিখতে হবে। তারপর ভার্ব, বেস ফর্ম, অন্যান্য ওয়ার্ডগুলো ঠিক থাকবে। সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্স, যখন ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের সাথে এস থাকবে বা ইএস থাকবে, সেক্ষেত্রে এস বা ইএস থাকবে, সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে ডাজন ব্যবহার করতে হবে। তারপর সাবজেক্ট আসবে এবং উক্ত ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের শেষে এস বা ইএস উঠে যাবে। অন্যান্য ওয়ার্ডগুলো অপরিবর্তিত থাকবে। সবশেষে কোশ্চেন মার্ক দিয়ে বিদায় নিব। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ইউর পারমিশন। দেন ইউ ক্যান চেঞ্জ, অন্যভাবে পরিবর্তন করতে পারো। ডাজ, তারপর সাবজেক্ট এবং নট যদি পূর্ণরূপ লিখতে চাও তাহলে সাবজেক্টের পরে নট লিখতে হবে। তারপর আগের মতোই মূল ভার্বের বেস ফর্মের সাথে এস বা ইএস উঠে যাবে, শুধু মূল ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম বসবে, বাকি ওয়ার্ডগুলো ঠিক থাকবে, সবশেষে কোশ্চেন মার্ক। নাও আই এম রাইটিং সেন্টেন্স নাম্বার 3. I went there. Here there is no modal verb or auxiliary verb, so you have to use don't, doesn't, didn't according to tense. If we notice here verb went, it is past form of go. When you will see verb past form, then you have to use didn't at the beginning of the sentence. Then subject will come next. When you will use didn't, verb will be base form. We know that go is the base form of went, so you have to use go. Other word will be unchanged. Next you have to use question mark, or you can change it another way. Did I? When you will write not in the long form, not will come after subject. Here we know that here subject I, so not will come after subject. Then verb base form go, then other word will come. Next you have to use question mark. Also I have told you before that you can change it another way. Here point past form, so you can use did, then subject, then verb base form. Go is the base form of went. Next other word will come. In this way you can change it. Also I support you the third one, didn't I go there. It is a strong English. Is it clear to you? Okay, thank you for your participation. Now I am telling in Bengali. যখন কোনো অক্সিলারি ভার্ব আর কোনো মডাল ভার্ব সেন্টেন্সের ভিতর না থাকে, অনলি সাবজেক্টের পরে মূল ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম থাকে, প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম থাকে, বাকি ওয়ার্ডগুলো ঠিক থাকবে। সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্স, Thank you for your answer. Already we have reached the ultimate goal. In the next class, I shall try to teach you the remaining rules of changing sentence from assertive to interrogative. Thank you for participating in this class attentively and spontaneously. And I also thanked the authority who has arranged this online class for you. Allah Hafiz.